This is my favorite sandpaper, Serious Grit. It won't tear, it's reusable, it doesn't clog, and it just lasts longer. It's damn good sandpaper. I've had this in my shop for about 4 years now, and I will continue to have it in my shop for years to come. This paper is a serious upgrade from the cheaper papers that you're probably used to. With all of its features, it's going to allow you to sand your jobs much faster. And who doesn't want that? And honestly, it's the durability for me. This stuff just won't crack, and it's hard to clog, and it just lasts 10 times longer than any other paper out there. The quality you're going to get with Serious Grit is far above everyone else's. Serious Grit also takes great care of their customers, and they love to interact with people on social media. So do yourself a favor and head over to seriousgrit.com and pick up one of their Variety 50 packs and put your sanding on a new level. Make sure to tag Serious Grit and myself in your social media posts, and we'll see you guys in the next video.